All right, today we're going to dig into the absolutely incredible world of dinosaurs. We're going to piece together a picture of these prehistoric giants, and we're actually going to kick things off with a little bit of a puzzle.
So, let's start with a riddle. What has the body of a semi-truck, but a brain the size of a walnut? Keep that in the back of your mind. We'll get back to it, I promise.
To even begin to find the answer, we have to travel way, way back in time. Back to a prehistoric planet that honestly looked nothing like the one we know today.
Yeah, we're talking 230 million years ago. It's a number that's just so big it's kind of hard to wrap your head around, right? But that's when the very first dinosaurs started to pop up on Earth.
And the world they lived in was, well, it was primal. Just try to picture it. Trees so tall they scrape the sky, these incredibly thick, sprawling forests everywhere, and, oh yeah, the constant rumble of volcanoes erupting all over the place.
Okay, so now that we've kind of set the scene, let's get back to our riddle. It's time to meet the mysterious creature with that giant body and, well, that teeny tiny brain. So first, let's just talk about its size. This animal measured about 30 feet, or for our friends using metric, that's roughly 9 meters long. To put that into perspective for you, that's about the length of a whole city bus. And the answer to our riddle is the Stegosaurus. This is what's so fascinating about this creature, right? You have this body that's as big as a truck, but it's being powered by a brain no bigger than a walnut. I mean, what a bizarre and incredible combination.
So this is all amazing stuff, but it brings up a huge question. How on earth do we know any of this? Well, it all comes down to the clues these ancient animals left behind for us to find millions of years later.
A really basic clue is just location. I mean, where did these dinosaurs actually roam? Was it some kind of lost world on a single continent somewhere?
The reality is way more impressive. Scientists have found fossils on every single continent, from the plains of North America all the way to frozen Antarctica. So dinosaurs weren't just in one place. They were a true global phenomenon. And get this, the clues aren't always just bones. Sometimes they're a little less glamorous. I want you to meet the coprolite. It's the official scientific term for fossilized dinosaur poop. Yep, poop. And believe it or not, it's incredibly useful. It can tell scientists exactly what a dinosaur was eating millions of years ago.
So all of these clues, everything from giant bones to, yes, coprolites, they help us piece together a story that's literally written in stone. And that story helps us debunk one of the most common myths about the ancient world.
We've all seen it in the movies, right? Cavemen running for their lives from a giant T-Rex. It's such a fun image, but as this quote makes crystal clear, it's pure fiction.
And this timeline really shows you why that's just impossible. Look over on the left. The last of the dinosaurs disappeared 66 million years ago. Now look all the way over to the right. The first modern humans, like us, we only showed up about 300,000 years ago. The gap between us is just immense.
So here's the crucial takeaway, the one thing to remember. The dinosaurs were gone from this planet for almost 66 million years before the first people ever existed. Our timelines don't just miss each other, they're in completely different chapters of Earth's history.
So even after all this time, these incredible giants left behind stories for us to uncover. And that kind of leaves you with one final thought, doesn't it? What other incredible secrets are still buried right beneath our feet, just waiting to be discovered?